This is a 2013 Yamaha Zuma YF50. We're replacing the spark plug. I have to apologize about the video uploads. It'll take some of them and some of them won't take. YouTube has changed. It changes every time. It's just different. I'm getting older and it sucks. Anyway, I've gapped the plug what the book said to gap it at, which the owner's manual, not the service manual, you have to buy extra, but it should be gapped at 0.28 to 0.31, so I put it close to 0.30. Now what I have to do, and you can see it takes this foot long snap-on, that's probably a 50-60 years old, takes a foot long to reach inside there. I put a tiny bit of Vaseline on the tip where the plastic boot goes on. And now, I want to do this right and show you how to do it right. This is what's called copper anti-seize by Permatex. It comes in this tube right here. It also comes in a spray, which is great for head gaskets. When you spray it on, you have to remember that it goes on. It's really cool looking copper gold flecks, but it's stickier than hell, so you don't want to handle it with your hands. I want to put a little bit of this copper anti-seize on the threads right here, which I'm going to do out of camera range because I don't want to grab my camera with it on here. Then what I'll do is I will grab my flashlight here and I will nice and easily come down here with the flashlight and try and thread it in there. Now, one thing when you're doing plugs like this is you should take your time. These are steel threads. Inside the Yamaha, it's an aluminum block. If you strip the threads in the head because you put it in wrong and forced it in there, then you have to take the whole motor out and do a hot coil or whatever it is. So we're not going to do that. We're going to just go very slow. I'm going to put the Permatex on there and then we'll go from there.